Chapter 10. If I Could Change the World. Gerald's English Homework. November 29. Gerald Nickleby, English Homework. November 29. Personal Essay. Topic. If I could change the world. If I could change the world, I'd get rid of peanut butter, Band-Aids, and $5 bills. I know this sounds like a weird list, but I got my reasons. First, I'd get rid of peanut butter. When I was little, peanut butter and jelly was my favorite kind of sandwich. Mama would fix it as a special treat, and it always made my lunchbox smell so good. But Mama left, and the peanut butter stayed. We get it free, so there's jars of it sitting around. Sometimes that's all there is. It sticks to my teeth, and it seems like it sticks my bones together. It always makes me feel clogged up. I'd also get rid of Band-Aids for two reasons. One, they're beige. They say on the box, skin tone is the color of the bandages inside. Whose skin? Not mine. So I hate wearing Band-Aids because they're so noticeable, and people always say, "Hey, how'd you get that cut? Or that bruise? Or those stitches?" And I always have to make up a reason about how I hurt myself. When Andy came back to school after the accident, he was wearing a bunch of Band-Aids. At least it took the attention away from me for a while. But I'd still eliminate Band-Aids, at least beige ones. Finally, I'd get rid of $5 bills. With a $5 bill, someone's stepfather can buy a bottle of whiskey, a nickel bag of pot, or a rock of crack. He smokes it, drinks it, and goes home and knocks his kids around, or his wife, before she got sick of it and left. He makes his kids wish they could leave. The next morning, he doesn't even remember what he did. With a $5 bill, Andy and the guys bought a 6-pack of beer. They ended up buying $5 worth of death. It seems like all a 5 spot can do is buy trouble. So I'd get rid of $5 bills. So, to make my world better, I'd get rid of peanut butter, Band-Aids, and $5 bills.